Hi everybody, it's me, Sailor Jupiter Lita here. And today I'm going to talk about, well, probably for the last time, and I'll probably move on from this topic because I need to, why we're done using Google Hangouts and using video file upload again. Now, if you've seen the video that we made before, then you know the reasons why we're done with it. First off, the only reason why we use Google Hangouts was because back around December of last year, December 11th to be exact, YouTube phased out YouTube webcam capture. Now, at the time, when we went to the Google Chrome store, we were putting in the wrong search words, the wrong keywords. It should have been video record, but we weren't putting it in right. We were thinking video processor, and there aren't no programs like that available on there. So we just assumed that there were no programs like that because they weren't popping up. So then we started using Google Hangouts from that point on. And it wasn't until somewhere around June that some error happened. And when this error happened, on Google Hangouts, you have a choice between doing a solo video or doing a conference video with more than one person. Well, we normally just do a solo video, but that day it just would not let us do it. So we went on a Google Chrome store, put video record, and that's how we were able to get programs to let us use Google Hangouts. Well, use YouTube video file upload. Or YouTube upload video files, whatever they're calling it. And we were done with the whole Google Hangouts experiment. Now, a lot of people are going to say, well, a lot of people are going to be surprised and say, well, first, are going to be surprised and say, why did you not put video record in that day? Because we didn't know that was the keywords, and at the time we figured that there should have been some video processing program on a Chrome store like Cyberlink Power Director or Arcsoft Video Processor or Arcsoft Webcam Companion, for example. And there weren't any programs like that. That's what we thought. If we had put in video record that day, then the online video recorder would have been available and the native video recorder would have been available too. But I recommend you don't use the online video recorder because it tends to cause issues with your operating system later, depending on which operating system you're using. But anyway, yeah, if we would have put those keywords in, we would have been using it a lot sooner than we are now. Well, you can't do anything about the past. You can only do things about the future. Or you only worry about the present and maybe how. But you really can't even handle the future because the future is what happens, before everything else. Well, the future happens before everything else, right? Anyway, so yeah, that's why we don't use Google Hangouts anymore, because of that one error that occurred. And we figured there has to be a way to use video file upload, because you see, if an error like that happens, there really isn't, we thought that was it. That we didn't have any other alternative way of getting a video on YouTube, besides Google Hangouts. So when it started having a problem, we said, that's it. There has to be an alternative. And it turned out there was, after we put video record. But sadly, we chose the bad one. How are we supposed to know the online video recorder was going to be mischievous and it was going to disable sleep mode from time to time? How we know it was going to make our computer crash from time to time? We didn't know. Anyway, yeah. So don't give it 5 stars. Don't even go in there. Go for the native video recorder. And the point is that's why we use YouTube. That's why we use YouTube Video File Uploader now, or YouTube Video File Upload now, because we were able to get a program that was compatible with our operating system, obviously. And obviously, that was able to make videos, and that's why we've been using it ever since. And I think if that error wouldn't have happened, we'd probably still be using Google Hangouts. But I think that, and also another thing, Google Hangouts isn't as cool as they make it out to be. I mean, yeah, you gotta put your title, description, and tags, and then you gotta go in and set your event settings. Then you gotta wait for this timer to go and hit start. And the sad thing is, just records everything in high definition, even if you don't want it to. Then because in high definition, it takes longer for it to process. And because, so yeah, it's just a more flow process. At least using video file uploads a more quicker process, at least with this program. So some error happened, and that error caused, us to just say we were done using Google Hangouts and started to use YouTube Video File Upload. I'm Sailor Jupiter Lita. Hope you enjoyed this video.